Okay, so the measurement for this bag is 5 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8, and then 4 by 8 is the flap. Then you can see those half inch I measure at the base side. So now you are going to shape the bag using half inch. You see the way I place my tape, half inch, the same thing, half inch again. You see all those points that I'm showing now, you measure half inch, the same thing on this other side also. Sorry, there was no light, so the place gets a bit dark. Now use your ruler to connect it. Can you see? Please try and watch carefully so that you can connect. So this is it. Then you connect the top. So you do the same thing on the other side also. Then look at this half inch now. You know I didn't touch it. So now look at the way I'm going to shape it. So watch where I start from and where I stop. So this is it. This is how the shape look like. So the next thing I'm going to cut, watch the way I'm going to cut it. So this is the outcome. Now use your ruler and your biro to trace the lines. All the lines you can see, trace everything, and then you fold. Watch the way I'm folding. I didn't touch that half inch. Now that half inch, you fold it the opposite direction. So this is how the shape of the bag is going to look like. Mind you, this is just a rough work, so I didn't do a proper measurement. Now the flap is a bit bigger, so you are going to shape it from the both side. So make sure you set it well and then you trace out the excess. Cut out the excess. So this is it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to design the flap. So of course you can go for any design of yours. So you measure 1.5 on that side, then get the center, and then you just do your design. So whatever design you want to do, you can go for it. So this is the design I want to use. You can also do your own design. Now let's go to the side gussets. 5 by 4. Remember the front is 5, so you measure your 5. But of course, when you are measuring, please measure 4.9, please. Then the base is 3, right? Add those two half, it will now be 4 inches. Now get the center. From that center, you mark 0.9 to the left and 0.9 to the right. Look at the 0.9 on the tape. Can you see it? 0.9 to the left, 0.9 to the right. Then after that mark of 0.9, you now mark half inch again on the left and the right side. Now you now trace it with your biro and ruler. So you trace the lines downward, you see it. Then come to the bottom side here, you mark another half again, half, and then you connect the lines at the bottom side. So trim off the excess. So please watch the way I'm cutting it. So when you finish, it will look like A, like letter A, but actually this is not A, so but I'm just using that to describe. Then you fold it. So this is it. So let me show you how it's going to fit in to the pattern. Can you see it? So this is how it's going to be. So although when you finish, it will sit comfortably. So this is how it looks like. So these are the pattern now. I've applied gum on it. Then this is the material. I'm using a green color material. You apply gum on it also. And then you glue it together. This is the side cover. I've applied gum on the material, folded the upper parts. There's the lining. I've folded the lining around. So after applying gum on the edges and on the surface of the side gusset also, you allow them to dry. Please, I want to fold now. Look at the way I'm going to fold. Though I'm a bit fast here, but just watch carefully, you'll be able to understand. So you trim off the excesses. You can hit it with your hammer. So the side gusset is dried already. You fix the lining on it. So here's my face, right? So watch the way I'm working on the side gusset also. You apply glue at the upper side, then you apply glue on the lining also. The same thing on the side of the side gusset. Now this is Marco size 2, a very light one, so I want to use it for the handle. So I'm just folding it around and then using the glue to hold it. Then you trim. Once the thickness is up to what you want, why not, you apply gum on it and on the material also. So the material is 11 inches long by 3 inches wide. Apply gum on it and then you wrap it around. You can use other means, maybe like pipe, to make the handle, but this is what I use. So this is it. Apply glue at the end so that it could stay very well. So just mark 1.5 and also get the center. So that's where I'm going to punch a hole where the handle will enter. So I'm using my puncher. So dip in your handle. Of course, you can put eyelet before then. So this is it. Use glue to hold it down. This is the bag lock. So you mark exactly where you are going to fix it. You cut it off. So you can try to see if it fits in. So this is the lining. You can see what I did now. I applied glue on it. I applied glue just to hold it so that it can form that shape for me. Now let's go and fix the side gusset. Watch carefully the way I'm fixing it. Sorry if the video is not stable. Apologies for that. So this is how it looks like. Make sure it doesn't extend that line. So you apply gum all over it, both the lining and the leather on. Now I'm applying glue on that side so that I can hold that place well. So you apply on the first side. Then this is what will hold the chain. I use chain hook and other things there. So let's go ahead and fix. You see the way I fix? Towards the back, the top and the flap first. Then this is the front part. Remember to put polythene bag there first so that it doesn't glue together. I actually forgot, but I later put it. Right, you can see it. I've put it now. Then you can now fit in the bottom to give you the shape, the desired shape. You see it? So you apply glue and then hold it tight for some seconds until you are sure that it has catched very well before you release it. So make sure you apply glue all around, excluding the front because we've not fixed the other side of the lock. So now you set it well to know where the other part will stay. So punch a hole and then you fix it. Once it's okay, you can now remove the polythene bag and then you apply glue to permanent it. If you're asking whether it will last, yes, it will last. You can see it's so beautiful, and I think it's also neat. I think so. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe,